Another pH tester, again from SelpHbalance, which is the SelpHbalance, and it does come in a pretty cool little case. You get the pH tester, and then you do get 2 of each of the packets, which is helpful for calibrating the device itself. Now to get to it, you simply pop off the cover, which I can't do one-handed because this one is a little stiff. And again, you have 2 buttons. You have the on-off and you have the calibrate. So we're going to turn it on, and as you see, it does illuminate and it does go up. And we're going to start right off in just plain old water. There's nothing special about this water. It's just poured right out of my faucet. And as you see, it is reading quite a high pH just for tap water. We do have a lot of hard water here, so that does explain that. And then we're going to drop it into the one for my fish tank. Now this is water I just grabbed right out of the fish tank itself. And as you see, around 8.7, which it is a little high, so I do know that I'm going to have to treat my fish tank for the pH to help balance it. The light does go off after a little while. But we're still reading 8.7. As I say, they're really easy to use. And this one does give you, if I can get my hands onto it better, a rough chart of where your pH balance is. So mine's around 8.7. So this is saying for 8.7 for baking soda or seawater. It's not really baking water or baking soda or seawater. I have a few other things on this list, so we're going to pause for a moment, and I'm going to get some and we'll test some of those. So I changed the solutions round. I now have baking soda in this water, and then I have a little bit of bleach in this water. And again, all I'm going to do is drop it in there. And as you see, this is with the tap water too. You see the pH balance has dropped right down to 7. Well, according to the chart, it's supposed to be around 9. And now we're going to drop it into the bleach. As you see, the bleach is definitely raising up. And there's not a lot of bleach in there because, you know, I got to wash this after because it's going into my fish tank. But this one is definitely more accurate than the others. Between this and test strips, I think I'm pretty much set. So that would do it for this pH balance testing meter.